We had this customer come in, said he had some misfire conditions. He was feeling it mostly in colder weather or on the first startup of the vehicle after it was sitting for a while. He told us he already replaced his spark plugs and his coils, but once we dug a little deeper, we found that the valves on the engine needed to be adjusted. Hondas are a little different than most other vehicles. They're one of the few that do require this maintenance as part of their routine service. Not many people are aware of it or perform it, and once you get into higher mileage like this vehicle here, it'll tend to give you these exact misfire conditions. He may not have needed those plugs and coils that he replaced, but we got to the bottom of the issue for him.